This place is cool VFR, but it's really fucking cool IFR.
Yeah, this is like more, this is
A
super special.
now, Sky 330.
0278, wind 1708, runway 10 right, clear for takeoff.
Alright, let's do this.
Blue for traffic, Aero 75278, take runway 29, left downwind departure, IFR Little River.
So we'll just take off and then go direct Mendocino.
Yeah, sounds
Do
good.
it like a normal left down departure.
For that.
Because it's VFR down here.
Yeah.
Just as long as we put ourselves on course. And then our direct track's gonna be 105.
When do you want to call Oakland?
As soon as possible.
Okay.
Probably before 2,000 feet or so. We'll probably get to reach them.
I'll call them up.
Okay. Clear on both sides, lights on, fuel pump cross mixtures full.
Dude.
Here we go.
That's so dope that you do these flights, dude.
That's why they
Dude,
call
keeps it fun, man.
They call me insane. Wonder why. Alright, full power. Full power, engine instruments in the green. 40, 50. 60. And start pulling it back. Rotate 70 knots. Tap the brakes. Got trees, positive brake gear up. Transit. Transit. Out of transit. Gears up.
Wow, this is fucking beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay, that's pretty cool actually.
Yeah, like actually,
The way they
really
settle on the
cool.
hills. Alright, 1600s are pattern altitude. I'll bring the props back right about there.
Cool.
Full power.
So that's Little River over there, that town.
Yeah, basically the town of Little River, the town of Mendocino, and then Fort Bragg is about 10 miles up that way.
Wow.
And the blowhole, the cemetery is right down there, right on my side.
So cool.
So when I make my turn, we can make that right here. And I'll do the manifolds in the turn, so 25 inches manifold pressure, 2,500 RPMs.
You do the fuel pump off, like 1,000 feet above?
I'll do it pretty high. I'll usually do it at the mid-climb, about 3,000.
Gotcha.
And then direct, Mendo, activate.
I'll call 2. I'll call center now.
Yeah, give him a shot. 104.
Oakland Center, Aero 75278, 2,200, climbing 7,000, just off of Little River, and picking up our IFR. We're direct Mendo.
278 Oakland Center, radar contact, Ukiah, altimeter 3003.
03 or 278. Wow.
This place is cool VFR, but it's really fucking cool IFR.
Yeah, this is like more, this is
A
super
1997
special.
now, Sky 3307.
Out, 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 out.
Yeah, make sure we got the terrain.
Get the bigger picture of everything. Yeah, we're in the clouds now. Cool, we're actual.
Oh yeah.
2,600, I'll do a mid-climb check. Fuel pump. Off. And we can drop the recog lights because no one can see us anyways.
Yeah. Same with the strobe.
Okay, we're kind of breaking out up top.
Yeah,
What do you say,
I feel like this layer just came in.
Inside.
We
at
weren't in this.
1700, at 2,700, yeah.
Oh, center box area 603, like cancel IFR.
We're going to stay on this frequency the whole time.
003, box area 603.
Alright. Let's see, 4,500, full power. That's it. 12 gallons an hour.
Easy, dude. Yeah, just go over fuel flow. It's like super chill.
I don't know if that's best power, but that's just, we're full power. We don't want to blow up the engine, you know?
Yeah.
So.
Well, I mean, like, you want richer peak anyway. Like.
Yeah, because the power comes from Richard Peak, the economy comes at peak, basically.
Yeah.
And the crackhead's going to peak.
Delta 2470, contact NorCal approach, 133.905.
That was that?
No.
3395 Delta.
No, we're going to be on 27.8 the whole time. The sectors don't change between Napa and basically,
San Pablo.
North Bendo.
75278, we know the weather for Lampson, and do you want to fly the RNAV Alpha approach tonight?
We don't have the weather.
Yeah, we'll get the weather at 278 affirmative. We'll take the RNAV Alpha.
278 sounds good. I see you over Mendocino already. Expect to start the clearance from this.
Sorry, say that again?
278, I show you over Mendocino already. Expect to start the approach from Mendocino.
278, we'll expect that.
It's this, they share an initial approach fix.
Oh, contact LA
Yeah.
7650 descending.
Back by 7650, roger.
75278, no traffic observed, radar services terminated, report the cancellation 6-0 through Oakland Center flight data, change to advisory as approved.
Over advisory, Aero 278, and we'll cancel IFR when we see the field.
Cool. Alright, let's do this, man. Final approach fix 47. We're going to turn to that in just a quick second. 160, yeah, well, just the approach course. 47. Approach course.
You're taking it way back, nice.
164. We'll just drop it on down into Clear Lake.
What city is this down at below us?
That's North Lakeport, and then that's Lakeport. The bigger one is Lakeport.
Gotcha.
Alright, and 164 approach course. I think we'll make it in just fine. The broken at,
Yeah,
broken at,
there's like
18.
rain over there, but...
Yeah, that was kind of a lie. It looks like it is raining like over the airport though, it's kind of funny.
Wow.
Alright, lights on, fuel pump, pitot heat can stay on. No, we can turn the pitot off. Mixture can come richer. 4 miles, final approach fix, just under 1,000 to lose.
See the field yet?
No. Nope.
Sick, dude.
They said over to advisory, right?
Yep.
Alright.
Yep. How far are we out? Like... Cincinnati, we're like 8 miles. Lampson traffic, Aero 278, 4,800 on the RNAV approach. We're 8 miles to the north. We're coming in for a right down entry, runway 28 Lampson. Oh yeah, look at that rain, dude. Whoa.
Yeah, it's pretty epic.
Yeah.
Alright. There's Natty.
Natty at 47. Yeah, that's a fucking chop and drop. Jesus.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah, we're like a right 45. Put you right on the 45.
Basically.
Yeah. That's a scary ass cloud.
Actually, I'm visual on the airport.
Maybe just want to do it now?
Yeah, and if they can't reach us, we'll do it on the phone.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah, cool.
Yeah, give it a shot.
Oakland Center Aero 278, cancel IFR.
75278, cancellation received, and Squawk VFR, have a good day.
Squawk VFR, and thanks for help, 278.
Gear speed, gear in transit, past the final approach fix.
Fuck, over.
3 grand, down we go.
Wow.
And then I'm visual on the airport.
I think 4 mile 45.
Yeah.
Lampson traffic, Aero 278. This is on a 4 mile right 45 downwind entry for runway 28. We are at 4,000. Lampson traffic.
Alright. Wide arc.
Kind of a big town, like, there's like decent population here, dude.
Yeah, Lakeport's kind of big. The rest of the Clear Lake is not very populated.
Yeah.
There's a big ass mountain under that cloud. So, wow. Props full. Check this out, we're gonna use the propeller as a brake.
Yeah.
Airspeed slowing down. Mixture's full rich. Actually, that didn't really go as planned. down, flaps 1, mixture's full, ridge lights on, fuel pumps on. Alright, break off one of that downwind now. Green, yeah. Circling approach, actual IMC.
Yeah.
This is where the protected area means something. Dude, I was here yesterday, it was sunny as fuck.
Crazy how it changed.
Yeah. The change they don't tell you about in school.
And they have a little beacon that you can barely see.
Yep. And we'll repeat the numbers. Just drop it on in there, fuck it. I don't see why not.
Power off 180.
Cool. Not quite.
Lampson traffic, arrow 278, short approach from runway 28. We are on right base for 28, Lampson.
Flaps 2. There's runway 28.
The Skyhawk, this would be like so high.
Yeah, but in this you can just fucking drop it.
Yeah.
So I'll go full flaps and just point the nose down and land.
Oh, that's badass.
Alright, gears down. 3 green. Props full.
Oh boy.
Boom.
Aha, nice. A little bumpy, yeah.
Flaps up. Yeah.
Some wind shear or something like.
Something going on around there.
It's these hills, I feel like.
Yeah.